Welcome to the in front of me ASUS Zenfone 9, and I'll show you how to hide apps on this device. So first, let's just slide with our two fingers at the same time, or just to hold our device home screen. After that, let's tap here to the preferences and click here to hide apps. After that, just let's, for example, use this application, this one, so the 5 applications to hide them. And after that, let's just go back here, change saved successfully, and now we can see these applications here in our apps menu and also on our device home screen. And if you want to just unhide them again, by the same way, go to the preferences, click here to hide apps and unselect them once again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.